Hello, hi everyone. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create word clouds in Python in 6 simple steps. So let's get started. So I'll be running this entire tutorial in Colab. So let me first start with importing few libraries. So here, apart from the usual libraries, Pandas and NumPy, I've also imported few NLTK libraries as well, which is the Natural Language Toolkit. Libraries such as word cloud and stopwords, which will help me to build the word cloud. What I've done here is I have I have imported the list of stopwords of English in this variable called stop. And let us start with importing the data set that I'll use for this tutorial. So here is uh, here is the data set that I'll be using. It has about 1,000 cells of a column called a review, and the sentiment column I won't be using. So what I'll do is I'll append all these cells for the review column together, and I'll create a word cloud out of that. So let us clean the data set, and for that what I'll do is, so there is an additional list of words that I'm excluding for my word cloud. So as you can see here, so I'll just add this list of words to my stop words. Next, I have a function which I'll use to remove my punctuation, and I can simply remove my punctuation using this statement here. I've stored my new punctuation free texts in my new column called text working. So next I'll convert my entire string into lowercase, and then I'll remove any digits from my entire text. So this is how I have done that. So next I'll create two columns. One is with the stopwords, as you can see here, and the other one which is without the stopwords, where I'll be excluding all the words that I have in my stopword list. So as you can see here, okay, so this was the column that I started with, which is review, and then I have this text working, then I have clean with the stopwords, clean without the stopwords. So what I'll do next is I'll be creating the word cloud, and that can be done simply by using this word cloud.generate function. What I've done here is I have used my column, and then I have concatenated all the 1,000 rows together and stored it as a variable in the cloud text variable. And I will pass that cloud underscore text to my word cloud.generate function. And this is, as you can see, the word cloud that has been generated, but it's not so neat to look at as it is black. So I will convert it to white. I'll remove the accesses, and I'll add a title to it as well. So here is how I've done that. I've increased the size of my chart here, and I have changed the background color to white. I have removed the accesses using plt.accessof, and then I have added a title to my plot as well. So this is what my word cloud looks like right now. What I'll do next is I'll create the same word cloud but without any of these stop words. For example, here you will be noticing stop words such as has, on, the, you. So what I'll do is I'll use my column where I have these stop words removed, as you can see here, and the same code I'll copy paste, and this is what my new final word cloud looks like. So that was all for this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching.